Chato is a chat and social app designed to connect users via instant messaging, group chats, and perhaps voice or video interactions. It markets itself as a place to meet new people, form conversations, and discover communities. In terms of legitimacy, Chato presents itself like other mainstream chat apps. You can sign up, set up profiles, send messages, search for people, and use features normally expected in a chat platform. The app seems to function and connect users, not just exist as a shell. However, with many chat social apps, there are risks that are prevalent. So, fake profiles or bots are common, even in legitimate apps. Some accounts may be there only to drive engagement, promote spamming, or push premium features. The app's moderation and verification layers matter a lot. If Chato has strong methods to validate real users, remove spam, and block abuse, that's a positive signal. If not, the experience could be riddled with noise. Another factor is data security and privacy. So, legitimate chat apps should encrypt messages, handle personal data responsibly, and clearly state how data is used or even shared. If Chato's privacy policy is vague or permissions are overreaching, that's a red flag. Finally, monetization can affect trust. If many features are locked behind paywalls, or if the app aggressively pushes in-app purchases or ads, the user experience might feel exploitive. Now, Chato seems to function as a real chat app, not an outright scam, but whether it's good or safe depends on its design, moderation, and data practices. Use normal caution, don't share sensitive info, be way of odd requests, and test it carefully before investing time.